In this productivity tutorial, you are going to learn how to activate two-factor authentication in Viber social application. If you want to learn more about 2FA or two-factor authentication, please check this playlist on this YouTube channel. Simply click on the three dots on the bottom of your screen. Go to settings. Go to privacy. Click the first link, that is two-step verification. I'll create a PIN code. So make sure you use a PIN that you can remember easily. Click next. You need to verify this. Okay, next. And then next, I need to put my recovery email. I'll use as MaxiPy. Okay. And then I'll tick the option. By providing your email, you agree to receive updates from Viber. And then next, confirm my email, that is maxipytech@gmail.com, and then I'll click next. We have sent you a verification email, so I'll go to my Gmail. Here it is. You can see the email. Cheers to starting on the right foot. Okay, you need to click on that confirm email, and that's it. Actually, you receive a notification from the app and from this website, secure.viber.com. And that's it. That is how you secure your Viber account using two-factor authentication. Follow us for more productivity tips and tutorials.